Hi friends, hola mis amigos, bienvenido y welcome back to Playgarden Prep online. My name is Miss Canitra, o en español, Señorita Canitra, and today we will be learning letter A words in Spanish or in español. Now I don't know about you, but I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up, we have 2 fingers and a drum roll, please. Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut starts with the letter A. And astronaut in Spanish is astronauta. Astronauta. Your turn. Astronauta. Astronaut in Spanish is astronauta. Astronaut in Spanish is astronauta. Astronauts go into space. Astronaut in Spanish is astronauta. Astronaut, o en español, astronauta. Next up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Ant. Ant. And starts with the letter A. And ant in Spanish is hormiga. Hormiga. Your turn. Hormiga. Ant in Spanish is hormiga. Ant in Spanish is hormiga. Ants travel in colonies. Ant in Spanish is hormiga. Ant, o en español, hormiga. Bien. Okay, last up but certainly not least, we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Apple. Apple. Apple starts with the letter A. And apple in Spanish is manzana. Manzana. Your turn. Manzana. Apple in Spanish is manzana. Apple in Spanish is manzana. Apples are red and green fruit. Apple in Spanish is manzana. Apple, o en español, manzana. Bien, friends, we learned 1, 2, 3, o en español, 1, 2, 3 palabras today. Let's review. First up, we have astronaut, or en español, astronauta. Astronauts go into space. Next up, we have ant, o en español, hormiga. Ants travel in colonies. And last up, we have apple, o en español, manzana. Apples are red and green fruits. Gracias. Good job, friends, for learning and speaking Spanish with me today. Adios. Hasta luego. And I can't wait to see you next time. Mwah.